Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by narrowing who you serve and what you sell. Pick a niche and price band so your message lands. Next, build a single one-page offer and a lead magnet such as a sample itinerary. Make sure the magnet solves one clear pain. Once done, launch 2 lead channels immediately: personal referrals and 1 paid test ad. Use simple tracking, UTM or a dedicated phone, to see which channel brings initial inquiries so you can iterate fast. Now focus on predictable lead flow and trust. Run short paid ad tests for 2 weeks and track cost per lead and conversion. Pause or double down based on results. Simultaneously publish a steady stream of social content, practical tips, booking stories, and clear calls to action so prospects see proof. Make sure to capture micro-testimonials from every client. Once you have 5, use them across ads and landing pages to lower objections and speed decision-making. Finish by converting leads into paying clients with a simple 3-step sales sequence. Qualify quickly, present a tailored plan, and ask for the booking. Use automated email and SMS reminders to reduce no-shows and keep momentum. If deals are stalling, audit 2 things first: whether your offer is crystal clear and whether your follow-up timing gives prospects time to decide but not forget. Make adjustments, retest, and keep a short feedback loop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.